Today's video is sponsored by my self-haircut course.
It's your man Alex, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a buzz cut, drop fade, self-haircut. Using my trimmers, I'm going to be putting in the first guideline right around the top of my eyebrows and going straight across the side of my head and then dropping it significantly right underneath my occipital ridge. And make sure you do the same thing on both sides. Now using the no guard lever open, I'm going up 1 full inch from that previous guideline. Again, do the same thing on both sides of your head. Now using the number 1 guard lever open, go up another 1 inch from the previous guideline. Do the same thing on the left side of your head as well. Now using the number 2 guard lever open, I'm going straight up off my head to remove all of the bulk by my part line. And for the top of my head, I decided to use the number 3 guard lever closed. Now just make sure you go through your entire head multiple times so that you don't have any stray long hairs. Using the 1.5 guard, I'm going to be fading down from the previous hard line. So using the lever open, then halfway, and then closed to completely get rid of that hard line. Now using the half guard, I'm going to be attacking that middle hard line, starting with the lever open, then halfway, and then closed. And again, make sure you're using the same exact lever positioning on the left side of your head as well. Now to finish off the bottom hard line, I'm going to be using the no guard lever open, followed by the lever halfway and closed. And if you still feel like you're seeing some of the hard line, use the corners of your trimmer to knock out the rest of that line. Before we continue with the video, I want to thank today's sponsor, my self-haircut course. My goal with this course is to help you learn a lifelong skill set that will keep your money in your pocket and save you hours of your time every self-haircut by not having to drive to and from a barbershop and pay for an inflated price plus the tip. Take advantage of my self-haircut course, which provides you weekly one-on-one private coaching calls, live streamed interactive self-haircut tutorials, a private community group chat, and over 60 high-quality videos on the Teachable platform. To start saving your time and money by learning how to cut your own hair, click on the first link in the description to start today. Thank you, Self-Haircut Course, for sponsoring this video. Now using my clippers with the no guard lever open, I'm going to be gradually closing the lever to fade in my beard. Now using my trimmers, I'm going to be going in and giving myself a lineup around my hairline. If you guys like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Don't forget to check out the self-haircut course linked down below because I increase the price every month due to high demand and the value I provide. And rewatch the video if you couldn't find the 20% off discount codes for my course. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!